Good evening. I want to bring you this. We do have some severe weather making its way through the area right now. The concern is for severe thunderstorms with damaging winds and flash flooding with the storms that are moving through right now. We have a severe thunderstorm watch up, but we've got an area of warnings here that covers a number of our triad communities: Davidson County, Randolph, Guilford, Alamance, Caswell, Rockingham counties under a severe thunderstorm warning until 8 o'clock. We've already had a number of trees down in parts of Guilford as well as Rockingham County. Also trees down from these storms earlier out over the foothills. So damaging wind gusts to 60 miles an hour with this line of storms. Also the potential for penny-sized hail. Right now, an area of storms kind of merging together right over Guilford County, and we are seeing excessive rain with this on already rain-soaked ground. So flash flood warnings are out. These severe thunderstorms appear to be kind of moving slowly to the southeast at about 15 miles an hour from Yanceyville all the way down into northern Alamance County now. And then you'll see that some of those storms just now crossing into western Alamance County, and heavy rains right now covering Guilford County. Intense lightning as well. Some of that penny-sized hail from High Point back south and west toward Lexington. Another storm kind of merging in. You see there over the Pleasant Garden community. Tremendous amounts of rain coming down with this. We urge you not to get out and drive in this. Rainfall rates have been 1 to 2 inches an hour. We're also starting to see the rain filling into Moxville, also in the southwestern corner for Forsyth County, but right now not under a severe thunderstorm or flash flood warning. The areas that are under severe thunderstorm warnings there over Randolph County, those storms kind of pushing northward now from Statesville too. There is a severe thunderstorm warning there. The area that you see on the screen, not only dealing with severe thunderstorms right now, make sure again with this damaging winds that you're on the lowest floor of your home, because we can see trees coming down in a situation like this. Also, we've got a flash flood warning that is out, and that is up until 10:30 tonight. So that includes eastern Forsyth, most of Guilford County, as well as Randolph County and parts of Davidson County, and that is where we've got all of this heavy rain coming down. If you do live near a stream or a creek, make sure that now you get out of that area if you need to, and especially if you're in areas east of here, now that you've got time before this heavy rain does move into your region. Also, we're encouraging you not to get out on the roads, because that water, of course, will be in some of the urban areas, and that can be very dangerous. We don't want you to drive through flood waters. We do have rainfall totals already anywhere between 1 to 2 inches from High Point northwest up towards Summerfield. So those are our concerns as we go through the evening hours. We are in that excessive rainfall area. We're really concerned about the folks there between the Triad and Raleigh that got all of that rain with Chantal. We're also concerned about damaging winds in that region too. We'll continue to monitor these storms, and if we do have a situation where we need to jump back on, we'll keep you up to date throughout the evening. We think this storm threat will last until at least midnight before things do start to get a little quieter overnight.